Corazon Rio. Yes.
Light siya. Pang light place.
She's the 8th placer, by the way. Okay. 7th placer, garnering an average score of
84.7. May I call on Elsa Francisco and Virginia Catinay to give the trophy?
Floresca Pascual.
And our sixth placer, gathering an average of 87.8%. May I call on Jazz Cavalli and Army Dodd to give the trophy as well. And our sixth
may pera yung ano yung consolation.
placer
Ito naman yung bata.
is Melina Binzon.
Dalawa ang trophy yung bawat isa ng consolation.
Okay, for our 5th placer, garnering an average score of 88.2.
May I call on Miss Lisa Miguel and Miss Visitacion Nakanay to give the trophy?
Uy, visitation na.
And our 5th placer goes to Miss Lisa Ilal.
Nanalo pa rin yung dati-dati. Nanalo pa rin yung dati. Hindi, may nalaglag na.
For our 4th placer, garnering an average score of 88.7.
Oo nga.
May we call on
Miss Myra Valedor and Marlene Garino to give the trophy. And our 4th placer goes to Ruby Bukulan.
Baka nanalo siya. Hindi. Sa first. Kasi Ivy.
And for our 3rd runner-up, may we call the family to please come forward. Maris Tignadice, Ivy Ristol, Annabel Calapet, Icy Baktok, the rest of the contenders, please come forward. The middle.
Dalawang champion! Ayong dalawa! Forward! Annabel! Annabel!
These are the battle of champions left.
Okay, for our 3rd runner-up, may we call on Miss Neri Diaz and Nancy Ignacio to give the trophy.
Okay.
And the 3rd runner-up will receive €800 and a trophy. And our 3rd runner-up, garnering an average of 91.7, goes to Maris Dinganice. prize.
Ang galing mong physical reaction niya kanina. Audience, 7 to. 7 to 10. Baka points lang. Pagitan ng
For our second runner-up, she will receive a trophy to be awarded by Ms. Leia Pera and Rizalita Listol, and a cash prize to be awarded by one of the judges. She will receive a 200 euro, garnering an average score of 91.8%.
Our second placer goes to Miss Ivy.